If you want to create a folder in Apps Screen or App Drawer on Samsung Galaxy A57, you can, for example, press and hold your finger on the first app that should be placed in a folder, just like that, and then you want to start dragging it and to drop it on top of another app, and then both of these apps are going to be added in a folder. We can of course tap on the folder name over here on this section in order to set the name for the folder. You can also use this plus button here in order to add more apps into the same folder. The second option that allows you to create a folder is by simply pressing and holding your finger on the app again, but this time once you see these additional options you want to let go, and then you want to tap on select. Now we can select multiple files at once, so let's say I'm gonna choose these ones over here, and now we can tap on the create folder at the top of the screen, and there we go, all of these apps have been placed in a single folder. That is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.